in today's topic we are going to talk about concentration of the solution. So the molarity is one of the criteria we use as a concentration. So molarity, for example, 1 molar NaCl solution, 2 molar NaCl solution, 5 molar NaCl solution. So this is a unit of concentration, right? So how concentration can be denoted. So molarity can be we can say molarity or molar concentration. Okay, so what is the formula for this one? Molarity or molar concentration is equal to number of moles of solute divided by liter of solution. So if you take number of moles of the particular solute and it divide it by the 1 liter of solution, then you get the molarity. Or what you can do, you can take gram molecular mass of that solute and divide it by 1 liter of the solution. So gram molecular weight of the solution we can take and divide it by 1 liter, and in that way we get molarity. So for example, we have this NaCl, sodium chloride, and now we want to know its molarity. How much is the molecular weight of this NaCl? So we take molecular weight of Na, sodium, and molecular weight of chlorine, and if you add that, we will get 58.44 gram. So this is the molecular weight of the sodium chloride. You take 58.44 gram of this sodium chloride, add in the 1 liter of the water, and now we will get 1 molar solution. That is how we get 1 molar solution. We want 1 molar solution of NaCl. You take its molecular weight, dissolve it in the up to 1 liter of the water. So final volume you should make 1 liter. So any compound, if you want its molarity, take its molecular weight, know its molecular weight, take that much gram of that compound, dissolve in the water, so the final volume will become 1 liter. So that is how we can make 1 molar of any compound. So for example, we have 1 molar of this sodium chloride, and now we want 100 millimolar of this NaCl. We want this NaCl to be 100 millimolar, and we want it only 100 ml. So what we can do, we can apply this dilution formula. N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. Okay, N1 is a concentration, N is a concentration, V is a volume. So N1 is the previous concentration. What is previous concentration? It is 1. So we take 1 here. What is previous? How much volume we want to take? We don't know. We keep it as a X. How much N2 we require? 100 millimolar. 100 millimolar means 100 millimolar means 0.1 molar. Okay, because 1000 millimolar is equal to 1 molar. So if you are taking 10 times less, so we divide it by 10, so it becomes 0.1 molar. So that way we take it 0.1 and it multiply by 100. So 100 ml solution we require, so it is 100 ml. So this 1 multiplied by x is equal to 0.1 multiplied by 100, that is a 10 ml. So basically 10 ml of the 1 molar NaCl we can take, and we will dissolve it in the 90 ml of the distilled water. Final volume we will make 100 ml. So if you combine this one, this is 100 ml. So it is very intuitive. If you are taking 10 times less, instead of 1000 millimolar, if you are taking 100 millimolar, we take 100 times less concentration. So 10 times less. So 10 times we can dilute. So here we get by this formula 10 ml, dissolve it in the 90 ml, and finally we can get the 100 millimolar concentration of the NaCl. So that way we can determine the molarity of the solution. Thank you.